As cyber threats continue to evolve and become more sophisticated, large technology companies are increasingly seeking to bolster their cybersecurity capabilities through strategic acquisitions. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. Mastercard has been ramping up card fraud detection with generative AI technology. Mastercard's acquisition of Recorded Future aligns with its commitment to providing a secure and trusted digital environment. By combining Recorded Future's threat intelligence capabilities with its existing cybersecurity services, Mastercard can offer a more comprehensive and robust solution to its customers. This acquisition offers a way for tech giants to strengthen their security posture, gain access to cutting edge technologies, and expand their market reach. The Boston based Recorded Future, the world's largest threat intelligence company, boasts a client base of over 1,900 across 75 countries, including governments from 45 nations and more than 50% of Fortune 100 companies. Mastercard's decision to acquire threat intelligence specialist Recorded Future for $2.65 billion highlights its strategic focus on bolstering cybersecurity capabilities. As a global payments giant, Mastercard relies on a secure digital ecosystem to protect financial transactions and consumer data. The transaction is slated to close by the first quarter of 2025, subject to regulatory review. By integrating Recorded Future's real-time threat intelligence and analytics capabilities, Mastercard can better identify, anticipate, and mitigate cyber risks across its global payment network. This acquisition also positions Mastercard to offer enhanced security solutions to its clients, expanding its suite of cybersecurity products and services. The move to buy Recorded Future is consistent with Mastercard's strategic push into value added services, with cybersecurity solutions featuring prominently. With this, Mastercard is going to offer another tool for surrounding transactions, both network and non network based. It will offer a comprehensive suite of cybersecurity solutions. Mastercard can provide additional value to its customers and strengthen its position in the payments industry. The move also signals Mastercard's commitment to innovation and leadership in the cybersecurity space, which is critical as digital payments continue to rise globally. Let's look into today's headlines. NXP to invest $1 billion in India to double down its R&D efforts. NXP will invest more than $1 billion in India over the next few years. NXP CEO Kurt Seviers said that the planned capital infusion will likely be utilized to double down on the company's research and development, that is R&D efforts. He added that the Dutch semiconductor design company is in talks with Indian companies in the automotive sector and other sectors to expand its partner base. WhatsApp announces Meta Verified for small businesses in India. WhatsApp is rolling out the Meta Verified badge feature for all eligible small businesses in India. Meta Verified feature will allow users to send personalized messages to customers. The company said in a statement that businesses that choose to subscribe and demonstrate their authenticity will receive a verified badge, impersonation protection, account support, and premium features that help amplify their brand online and make it more efficient to chat with customers. CCI fines Amazon and Flipkart breaching antitrust laws. The Competition Commission of India, that is CCI, has found the US e-commerce giant Amazon and Walmart's Flipkart violating local competition laws by giving preference to select sellers on their shopping websites. In 2020, the Antitrust Investigation Agency ordered an investigation into Amazon and Flipkart for allegedly promoting certain sellers with which they had business agreements and giving priority to certain listings. The two companies will now review the report and file any objections before CCI. OpenAI launches new series of AI models with reasoning abilities. Microsoft-backed OpenAI said that it is launching a series of AI models designed to spend more time processing to solve hard problems. The models, codenamed O1 and O1 Mini, can reason through complex tasks and solve harder problems than previous models in science, coding, and math. The AI firm said that it trained these models to spend more time thinking through problems before they respond, much like a person would. In India, air taxis will soon be a reality. Speaking at an Asia Pacific conference of civil aviation ministers, Prime Minister Narendra Modi declared that air taxis will soon be a reality in India. Prime Minister Modi highlighted the growth potential of the country's aviation sector, saying air travel has become inclusive and affordable with the regional connectivity scheme as more people are traveling by air from smaller cities. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.